Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. If you love fresh, crisp greens but hate the tedious washing and drying process, you're in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best salad spinner to upgrade your meal prep. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Edelhaus Salad Spinner. The Edelhaus Salad Spinner is a modern kitchen essential designed to make washing and drying fresh produce faster, cleaner, and more convenient. Built with a focus on control and efficiency, it features an instant stop and drain system that allows you to halt spinning immediately with a simple one-touch button. This gives you precise control during food prep, while the integrated drainage spout lets you pour out water easily without removing the lid, keeping the process smooth and mess-free. With a well-balanced 5.3 quart capacity, this salad spinner is perfectly sized for everyday use. It is large enough to prepare fresh salads for a small family or guests, yet compact enough to store easily in most kitchen cabinets. Whether you are rinsing leafy greens for 2 people or preparing vegetables for a full meal, it offers practical versatility without taking up unnecessary counter space. The construction combines premium stainless steel with BPA-free plastic components, ensuring both durability and food safety. Its rust-resistant design is built for long-term use, while the non-slip silicone base keeps the bowl steady during spinning. This stability helps prevent sliding or wobbling, even on smooth kitchen surfaces, making the experience more controlled and reliable. Beyond just a salad spinner, it functions as a multi-purpose kitchen tool. The inner basket can be used as a colander for rinsing, while the stainless steel bowl doubles as a serving or mixing bowl. It can also be used to spin a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, herbs, pasta, and even fries, making it a practical, all-in-one solution for everyday cooking tasks. Cleaning is simple and convenient, as all parts are dishwasher safe. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the spinning process at a glance, combining practicality with ease of use. Designed for efficiency, durability, and everyday versatility, this salad spinner is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Next, at number 4, is the Brigii Salad Spinner. The Brigii Salad Spinner is designed to make fresh food preparation faster, cleaner, and more convenient in everyday cooking. With a simple and efficient hand-operated mechanism, it allows users to quickly wash and dry leafy greens and vegetables in just a few turns. You place your lettuce or other produce into the basket, turn the handle, and the spinning action removes excess water, leaving crisp, ready-to-serve greens. Beyond salad preparation, this kitchen essential offers versatile use. It is suitable for rinsing berries, drying chopped vegetables, and handling a variety of fresh produce. This makes it a practical all-in-one tool for meal prep, especially for those who enjoy healthy home-cooked meals and want to reduce kitchen effort. With a generous 4.24 quart capacity, the Brigii Salad Spinner is well suited for families or small gatherings, comfortably preparing servings for around 3 to 4 people. Its size strikes a balance between compact storage and practical output, making it useful for both daily meals and occasional larger servings. The design also focuses on safety and stability. A non-slip base helps keep the spinner steady during use, reducing movement on countertops and ensuring smooth operation. This adds confidence while handling wet produce and spinning at higher speeds. Maintenance is straightforward, though care should be taken during cleaning. When using a dishwasher, water and drying temperatures should not exceed 75 degrees Celsius to preserve the product's performance and appearance. A gentle wash and low-heat drying setting are recommended for long-term durability. Overall, the Brigii Salad Spinner brings efficiency and convenience to kitchen routines, helping users prepare fresh, clean, and healthy ingredients with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3, we have the Cuisinart Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner is designed to make preparing fresh ingredients faster, cleaner, and more efficient for everyday cooking. With its 3-quart capacity, it offers ample space to wash and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple process, helping you save time in the kitchen while maintaining freshness and texture. At the core of its design is a smooth, user-friendly spin mechanism. The easy-to-use spin knob allows for quick and controlled spinning action, efficiently removing excess water from washed ingredients. This helps ensure that leafy greens stay crisp and ready for salads, garnishes, or meal prep without excess moisture affecting taste or presentation. Convenience is further enhanced by its practical lid design. You can easily add or drain water without removing the lid, reducing mess and making the entire washing process more streamlined. A secure locking system keeps the spinner tightly closed during use, ensuring safe and stable operation even with repeated spinning. Stability is another key feature of the design. The non-skid base helps keep the bowl firmly in place on your countertop, preventing unwanted movement while spinning. This added stability makes the process smoother and more controlled, especially during frequent kitchen use. Beyond its primary function, the clear base of the salad spinner doubles as a serving bowl. This thoughtful design adds versatility, allowing you to wash, spin, and serve all in the same container. It reduces the need for extra dishes and makes it ideal for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. Overall, the Cuisinart salad spinner combines practicality, efficiency, and smart design to simplify food preparation. It is a useful kitchen tool for anyone who values fresh ingredients and a more organized, effortless cooking experience. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Lunememo salad spinner. The Lunememo salad spinner is a practical and elegantly designed kitchen tool built to simplify the process of washing and drying fresh greens. Crafted with a large 5.3-quart 304 stainless steel bowl, it offers both durability and a sleek, modern appearance that fits well in any kitchen setting. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use while also making it suitable for everyday food preparation tasks. One of its standout features is the non-slip base, which keeps the spinner firmly in place on the countertop during use. This adds stability and safety, allowing you to operate it without worrying about movement or spills while spinning your salad. Designed for efficiency, the spinner helps you achieve extra dry vegetables in seconds. By simply rotating the handle, you can quickly remove excess water from washed greens, beans, sprouts, or microgreens. This ensures your ingredients stay crisp and fresh, improving both texture and presentation in your meals. Convenience is further enhanced with an instant stop button. When you're ready to halt the spinning process, a simple press brings it to an immediate stop, giving you full control over the drying process. The thoughtful design also makes the stainless steel bowl multifunctional. It doubles as a colander for washing vegetables and can be used as a serving bowl, adding versatility to your kitchen routine. This combination of washing, spinning, and serving in one container reduces the need for multiple tools and streamlines food preparation. Overall, the Lunememo salad spinner brings together durability, convenience, and multifunctional use, making it a reliable addition for anyone who values quick and efficient salad preparation at home. And finally, our top pick for the OXO salad spinner. The OXO salad spinner is a thoughtfully engineered kitchen tool designed to make washing and drying fresh produce faster, easier, and more efficient. Built around OXO's signature one-touch technology, it features a one-handed pump mechanism that allows users to spin dry lettuce and other greens with minimal effort while achieving maximum water removal. This design reflects OXO's focus on practical innovation for everyday kitchen tasks. At the core of its functionality is a smooth and powerful pump system that activates the spinner basket with a simple press. Once the washing or spinning is complete, a patented brake system allows the user to stop the basket instantly with a single push, giving precise control and convenience. The non-skid base keeps the unit stable on countertops, ensuring steady operation even during high-speed spinning. Beyond performance, the design also emphasizes smart storage. After use, the pump handle can be pressed down and locked into place, keeping the lid flush with the bowl. This compact form makes it easy to stack and store in kitchen cabinets or refrigerators without taking up unnecessary space. The spinner is more than just a lettuce dryer. It works as a versatile kitchen helper for washing and preparing a variety of foods, including herbs, beans, and fruits. It can also double as a serving bowl or a storage container for pre-washed greens, making meal preparation more efficient. Users can wash lettuce in advance, store it in the fridge, and serve it fresh when needed. Cleaning is also designed to be simple. The lid can be disassembled to prevent moisture buildup, helping maintain hygiene over time. All components are dishwasher safe, with top rack cleaning recommended for convenience and care. With its combination of ease of use, multifunctionality, and smart design, the OXO salad spinner stands out as a reliable addition to modern kitchens, supporting healthier food preparation and everyday cooking routines. Upgrade your kitchen game and enjoy perfectly crisp salads every single time. Check the price link in the description to find the best option for your home, and be sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful kitchen appliance reviews.